All right, Pat, here we go. We're running a few aluminum pieces today. Here's the machine. This is the turret. All the tool holders in it. Francisco and I are running. We're going to run a piece of aluminum dry for you today. Here we go. No, we were going to run it dry. There we go. We're single blocking all the way through it because we don't want the water to kick on. What does it do here? Threads it. Knurls it.
Thread and then the knurl.
What's it do here?
Knurl.
That's the knurl. What he wants you to do now is, if you would, strap an indicator to it. Let's go ahead and... There's the sub picking it up. Don't run the part off without it being here.
Okay.